I will solve it, otherwise I will move on. Question number 8. Question number is little bit difficult and various books, various data is given. Tell me quickly. Anyone any problem? Students, can you hear me properly? Can you hear me properly? Then any problem up to question number 7? Up to question number 7 you have any problem? No sir. Then I will, can I move on question number 8? Question number 8. Can I move on question number 8? Dome means that's upper portion of a building like this shape. Okay. Upper portion of the building like a hemisphere, that this shape. Okay. Okay, Rajonna is typing something. Rajonna, tell me what is your problem? Quickly, beta. No, sir, nothing. Okay. So, the dome like that, and it is given total cost. That is exercise 13.8 and question number 8. Total cost given 498.96. Okay, and cost of 498.96 and cost of white washing rupees, that is rupees 2 per meter square. Rupees 2 per meter square. Now what is the area? Now students, in surface area, in case of area, I have told you total cost equal to rate into area. Total cost equal to TC, cost equal to rate into area. In this case, total cost given, rate given. Then we can easily find out the total area. So area will be 498.96 by 2. Calculate it quickly. Calculate it quickly. 498.96 by 2. What will be the value? 249.49. 249.49 meter square. So the area of the dome is 249.49 meter square. Okay, Sagning Mondal after a long day. Okay. Now that inside surface area is 249. That is 48, not 49, 48 meter square. It means that is the inside surface area, and inside surface area means that, okay, inside surface area. And what is the formula of inside surface area? I don't have the radius r, so I am taking, let radius be r meter. So what will be the surface area? What will be the surface area? Tell me quickly. Quickly. So you are taking so much time. That hemisphere, to 2 pi r square. 2 pi. Rajonna, one thing, students, 3 pi r square. Yes, there is a confusion between 3 pi r square and 2 pi r square. Rajonna, for you, if this is a plane, if this surface is a plane surface, that time surface area will be 3 pi r square. Okay, 3 pi r square. And this building, that means that blank place. Okay, that you have often you have seen it, just is masjid, mandir, that type of shape. Okay, got it, Rajonna? Concept is clear? That one 2 pi r square, and it is also a circle, that r, so pi r square. Total 2 pi r square plus pi r square, 3 pi r square. But in that case, we will take 2 pi r square, not 3 pi r square. Okay, Rajonna, it is clear? Yes or no? Quickly answer. Yes, sir. Okay, very good. So 2 pi r square equal to 2 pi r square equal to 249.48. So r square equal to 249.48 to pi means 22 by 7. So you can put 22 here and 7 is here. 249.48 into 7. Now calculate it quickly. What will be the value of its? So it will be 39.69. R equal to 39.69 root of this one. So 39.69 square root of 39.69, that will be, you will get 6.3. So what is the radius of that dome? That is 6.3 meter. One thing, students, next question, what is the volume of air that can present in the inside the dome? The amount of air is there, that in dome means its volume. So what will be the volume? Volume formula, anyone? Volume formula, anyone? Oh my God. Quickly. Rajonna, Amrita, Orpit, so many students are there. Tell me, what is the volume formula of that dome? Okay. So that is 2/3 pi r cube. Okay, 2/3 pi r cube. That is, that you will get this 523.9 meter cube. 523.9 meter cube. Okay, 523.9 meter cube. That is the, yes. Not 4/3 pi r cube, 2/3 pi r cube. That is, dome means hemisphere, hemispherical shape. Okay, so students, this question, you have any problem regarding the question number 8? Regarding the question number 8, you have any problem? No. Okay, so next question number 9. Just go through it.